Science is about figuring out how the world works, using evidence. But here's the thing. Scientists can't always see what they're studying. No one can look inside an atom or walk on the surface of a star or go back in time to watch a dinosaur. So how do they work it out? Let's try something. Imagine you have a sealed box. You're not allowed to open it. Your job is to figure out what's inside. You pick it up and shake it. You hear something metallic clanking around inside. You put it on a scale. It's heavy. You hold a magnet up to the side. You feel a pull. Each of these, the sound, the weight, the magnetic pull, is an observation. You used your senses and tools to gather information. Now, think about what you know. It clanks, it's heavy, a magnet sticks to it. You put those clues together and conclude that the box probably contains iron objects, maybe nuts and bolts. That conclusion is called an inference. It's a logical explanation based on the evidence you collected. This is exactly what scientists do. They gather evidence through observations, then use inferences to explain things they cannot see directly. They build a picture of what's inside without ever opening the box.